Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where device manager is blank and not showing anything on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command SFC space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Okay, it will need a while. I mean, it's just verifying. It will need a while. Leave your computer as it is, keep working, and make sure that your computer doesn't turn off. After that, you can try to restore your system to an earlier point. So, search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open the recovery window. Click on Open System Restore, and if you haven't created a restore point, then turn on System Protection and then create a new restore point. Okay, once a new restore point has been created, you can use that point to restore your system, obviously at a later stage, not immediately, but I always advise to create a new restore point. So click on open system restore, select next, choose a good restore point, next, and finish, and then click on yes. Lastly, if everything else fails, I think that the only solution which will work will be a cloud reset. If SFC scan and system restore don't work, I'll tell you why. Because the issue is with the files and it is nothing else. And if the files are corrupt and you have done everything, then you will have to proceed with the cloud reset. But back up your data before that, because you will lose all of your data with a cloud reset. So here's what you can do. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side. Select Recovery in the right pane. Click on Reset PC. Select Remove Everything. And then finally select Cloud Download. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.